When product teams think about documentation, they usually look for something simple, collaborative, and tightly connected to their daily workflow. Two popular tools often come up: ClickUp Docs and Google Docs. Both help teams create and manage information, but they do it in very different ways. Let's talk through which one might be better for your product team. ClickUp Docs lives inside ClickUp's all-in-one project management platform. It is not just a place to write. It connects directly to your projects, tasks, and goals. You can turn any line of text into a task, link documents to sprints or roadmaps, and embed live views of project progress right inside your doc. It feels more like a living workspace than a static document. Another big difference is structure. ClickUp Docs let you create nested pages, sections, and wikis that scale easily. You can build a whole knowledge base for your team with permissions, templates, and easy navigation. That means your product specs, meeting notes, and strategy docs can all live in one organized space, linked to the work that is actually happening. Google Docs is the classic option. It is cloud-based, familiar, and instantly collaborative. You can open a doc, invite your team, and start editing together in real time. The editing is smooth, the commenting tools are intuitive, and the version history makes it easy to track changes or roll things back. You can tag teammates in comments, assign action items, and even see who is editing what as you type. It is perfect for quick drafting, meeting notes, or writing product specs when you need everyone's input fast. But where Google Docs shines in simplicity, it can struggle with structure. Over time, folders pile up, versions get messy, and it is easy to lose track of which document is the final one. You might spend more time organizing than actually documenting. That is where ClickUp Docs comes in. Both tools are powerful, but they serve different priorities. Google Docs is all about universal collaboration. ClickUp Docs is about integrating your documentation into your team's workflow. For small and growing product teams that want to scale smoothly, having your documentation connected directly to your projects can make all the difference. In the end, the best choice depends on how your team works. If your focus is easy access and quick editing, Google Docs will serve you well. If your focus is organization, structure, and connection to active projects, ClickUp Docs is the smarter long-term home for your documentation. Either way, keeping your team's knowledge clear, connected, and accessible is what really matters, and both of these tools can help you do exactly that.